Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your Amazon app not working. Sometimes you might face problem while opening the app because you might be using the older version of the app. So you can simply update the app to use it without any problem. If you are not sure how to do that, you can refer to our other videos. But if the update is not available, then it might be because of the stored cache in your device. In order to clear cache, you can find the app in your app drawer. Hold the app until you see this message pop up. When this message pops up, tap on the small eye icon. You will land on the space where you can see information about the app. Tap on storage. Here you can see the space taken by stored cache in your device. Tap on clear cache to get rid of it. The option will be on the bottom right corner of your screen. After you have cleared the cache, the number here should appear 0 and your app should be working fine now. I hope you found this video useful. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments if you have any queries. Thank you for watching.